Okay, so there's a lot of people that ask me, how do I fund my membership? So the moment that you log in on your own page, you will see there's a place that says become part of the family, activate your subscription, and then you click on there. Then you will see that there's 4 options. There's a standard monthly, a premium monthly, and a standard annual and a premium annual. Okay, so let's just go through the different. The monthly, well, you can see standard 99 rand per month, 1% on groceries, 1% on fuel, 5% on restaurants, and 5% on Bolt. That gives you up to 3,500 rand cashback per month. And then this is the most popular one, 199 rand, and you will see that you get 5 times the value on groceries and fuel. So that's 5% groceries, 5% fuel, and 5% on restaurants and Bolt, and that is up to 7,000 rand cashback per month. And okay, so this is the annual of the standard. It's 999. Then you get 2 months for free, and then this is the premium annual for 2,000 rand a month, and for this you get also 2 months for free. Okay, so just go there, select premium, and then you could just go through the motions. It will take you to your banking details, and from there on you can just do a payment. This is how easy it is. Be blessed.